Imagine you're in a heated debate and someone suddenly takes the opposite stance. They're not disagreeing, they're playing devil's advocate. This English idiom has an intriguing background. Playing devil's advocate means arguing a contrary position for the sake of discussion. It's about challenging ideas to test their strength and uncover hidden flaws or new perspectives. This idiom's origin dates back to the Roman Catholic Church. The Advocatus Diaboli was an official who would argue against the canonization of a candidate for sainthood. The purpose was to ensure that the candidate's life and miracles were thoroughly examined. This rigorous scrutiny helps avoid hasty or biased decisions. Now let's explore some examples to see playing devil's advocate in action. Imagine a meeting discussing a new business strategy. One colleague says, "I'll play devil's advocate here. What if this plan fails?" This helps the team consider potential risks and prepare accordingly. In a classroom debate about technology, a student might say, "Playing devil's advocate. What if technology actually hinders creativity?" This sparks a deeper discussion. During a family discussion about vacation plans, someone might chime in, "Let me play devil's advocate. What if we can't afford this trip?" This leads to a more practical evaluation. In a conversation about adopting a pet, a friend might say, "I'll play devil's advocate. What if we don't have enough time to care for it?" This helps assess readiness. Finally, in a policy-making session, an official could state, "Playing devil's advocate. What if this policy has unintended consequences?" This encourages a more comprehensive review. So, playing devil's advocate isn't just about opposition, it's about fostering critical thinking and robust discussions. It helps ensure decisions are well considered and resilient. Embrace the spirit of playing devil's advocate in your conversations. It can lead to more informed and balanced outcomes, enhancing both personal and professional interactions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about this idiom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.